Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of beautiful things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always tuning into this platform. I really do appreciate. Please do it to like our video, share, and subscribe. Today, I have a wonderful one that I want us to watch, and I will be watching it with you. Sit back, watch it, and I'll be right back.
Good morning, everyone. Just a few days ago, there was jubilation in the southeast that the Court of Appeal in Abuja granted the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Everybody was happy. There was jubilation. But yesterday, we heard again that the federal government coerced the justices of the Supreme Court to resign their decision and grant a stay of execution on their own verdict. You begin to ask, what does the government want? A government should want what makes their people happy. They should want the happiness of the people. That window of opportunity to make peace in the southeast. So many people today are kidnapping people in the southeast on grounds of the fact that Nnamdi Kanu was detained or is detained. Killing people, saying that they are doing it for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. And the Court of Appeal gave that window of peace. And the federal government is junketing from the Court of Appeal to the Supreme Court. To do what? To show power and authority. By going to Kenya, to bring somebody to Nigeria is enough. It's enough authority. It's enough power. We see, it's enough power for people to believe that you have the capacity. By keeping him for more than 1 year, it's enough to show power. What else do you want? This amounts to killing the ant with a sledgehammer. Look at the alert in Abuja today. Security alert. Is it caused by Nnamdi Kanu? But you know the people. And these people you know are the people you are placating. You are releasing in their hundreds. Enlisting in the army, police, and other security agencies. Then this individual from the southeast, you want to annihilate him. And this tends to justify our clamor for Biafra. Otherwise, why should we be releasing Boko Haram members and detaining an individual, a superior court, like a court of appeal, released? What justification? Because he's an Igbo man. Is it not true? Is there any other thing? Each day I feel so happy that I started this thing in 1999 to educate our people that we are not safe in Nigeria. And you try to justify it. What has Nnamdi Kanu done that Boko Haram people have not done? We are not interested in your kangaroo, Court of Appeal, and Supreme Court judgments. You are going to the Supreme Court. Obviously, we know what you will get. Because you have already started coercing the justices by redeploying them, posting them to other stations, insulting them. This conduct of the federal government is very undignifying. Very undignifying. It tries to increase the insecurity in the Southeast. Every Monday now, people stay at home. Even when you ask them to go to their normal businesses, they stay at home for fear. How are you helping matters as a government? You said Nnamdi Kanu did this, did that, did that. Granted, but not conceding. What about members of the Boko Haram you are releasing? Are they innocent? Why are you releasing them if you cannot release this one? I'm tired of all this nonsense because, you see, when the government is safe, it's the cause of insecurity. What else do you get? What do you think? Please, all we want in the Southeast is the release of Nnamdi Kanu for now, for peace to reign. Ohanese officials have gone to Abuja to beg. No answer from federal government, no positive answer. Uwazurike an elder statesman, 90-something years, begged. No positive answer. Many people, many prominent Igbo leaders, you say you want legal solution, no political solution. Then the legal solution came. You don't want to obey it. You don't want to do it. You want to undermine the Igbo man and the Igbo tribe. It will fetch you nothing. It will not frighten anybody. Rather, it is justifying our position that we want to stay on our own because we are not allowed to stay in Nigeria with others. That's how it is. And if you think that your actions can intimidate anybody, nonsense. It cannot. Get 2 million judgments from the Supreme Court. You are only making a caricature of yourselves as a government. Nothing better. We are not afraid. Just release Nnamdi Kanu. That's the much I know. And that's what we want in the Southeast. We know what you are doing, the games you are playing. We pretend as if we don't know. We know, but we are watching. Thank you.
So, my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.